What's up, guys? Welcome back to HONOR Tech. Today, we're diving into a new budget king that just hit the shelves, the HONOR X8d. If you're looking for a phone that blends a slim design with a massive battery, you might want to pay attention to this one. Let's get into the specs. First off, let's talk about the design. Despite having some serious internals, this phone is incredibly sleek at just 7.5mm thin. But don't let the slim profile fool you, it's built like a tank. It features 2-meter drop protection and an IP65 water resistance rating, so it's ready for those accidental splashes and tumbles. The real showstopper here is the battery. We're looking at a massive 7,000 mAh packed into that thin body. It supports 45W fast charging, and HONOR claims this battery is built to last. Even after 6 years of daily use, it's designed to retain over 80% of its health. That is some serious longevity. On the front, you get a gorgeous 6.77-inch AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It hits a peak brightness of 3000 nits in HDR, making it super easy to see outdoors. Plus, it includes 6 different eye care technologies to keep your vision safe. For the photographers out there, the 108MP main camera is the star. It supports 3x zoom and comes loaded with AI-powered editing tools to make your shots social media ready instantly. Under the hood, the HONOR X8d is powered by the Snapdragon 6E's Gen 2 processor and 8GB of RAM. It's running the latest MagicOS 10 based on Android 16 right out of the box, so you're getting the newest software features and AI enhancements. Currently launching in the Russian market, here is how the pricing breaks down. The 8/128GB model is priced at 21,990 rubles. The 8/256GB variant goes for 24,990 rubles. In terms of value for money, those specs are looking pretty competitive for the mid-range segment. So what do you think about the HONOR X8d? Is that 7,000 million soars way for mate? 6 Gs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to HONOR Tech for more latest tech updates. I'll see you in the next one.